Hey guys, have you ever wanted to start growing your own food, but maybe you didn't know where to start, or you don't have enough space, or you think you don't have enough space, or maybe you're afraid you don't have enough time to devote to it? Well, today I want to tell you one crop that you should definitely start, even if you aren't a gardener, even if you have no interest in gardening before now. This is the crop that you can get started with this year, and I promise it's easy. It'll make you fall in love with gardening. Even if you don't have much time to devote to it, you can start this one thing, and it's a plant that will keep giving and giving year after year. That's right, you only have to plant it once, and it will keep coming back every year. It's a great beginner crop, and not only will it come back every year, but it will spread. And you can use it to make lots of gifts for all of your family and friends. So this is especially helpful if you are on a tight budget like I was for so many years. And I'm going to teach you how to make those gifts right here on this channel. In fact, last year I came up with a recipe for ice cream. I wouldn't give that as a gift, it might melt, but I'm going to share with you my ice cream recipe and my jam recipe. Do you know what it is yet? It's strawberries. They are so easy to plant. Okay, guys, I planted 3 little strawberry plants back in 2021, and I have had hundreds of strawberry plants every year since then. I use them to make jam. Last year, we actually made wine for some of our family members for Christmas gifts. And like I said, I also came up with a strawberry mint ice cream last year that was so good. And the reason why I came up with that was because I had propagated some of my strawberry plants into a 4x4 bed that I grow mint in. So every day when I was out in the garden, I could smell the strawberries and the mint together, and it smelled so amazing. So I kept thinking, especially as it got hotter and hotter throughout the season, I kept thinking there's got to be a way that I can use these strawberries and mint together. Also, mint is another one that's super easy to grow that you could get started for very cheap, even if you only have a very small space and a very tight budget. And I'm going to teach you all of that right here on this channel. And I do have past videos. I will link them up here somewhere. I've got the ice cream video. I think I have a jam video somewhere. I'll find it. But I'll also do an updated video for this year as well. And if you are interested in learning how to grow strawberries, just comment and let me know. I'll make a lot more detailed videos over the next couple of weeks. Today, I harvested my very first batch of strawberries for this season. I'm getting ready to go post pictures out on the community tab because I'm curious what you guys think. Should we eat them fresh, this first batch? Or should I save them for jam making? Should I save them for wine making? Or should I save them for ice cream making? I'm kind of thinking about doing ice cream this weekend because the ice cream maker that I used last year was actually my parents. I was dog sitting for them, and I had this batch of strawberries with me, and I happened to notice in their pantry that they had an ice cream maker, and I was like, I'm going to give this a try. So that's how I made the ice cream last year. And they are actually going out of town again this weekend, and Aiden is going to be dog sitting for them. So I may just swing by there and use that ice cream maker and bring you guys along to make some more strawberry mint ice cream. Let me know if you want these recipes, and if you want to know anything else about strawberries, I'll do a much more detailed video in the next couple of weeks. I hope this has inspired somebody, even if you don't have a green thumb, even if you've never done gardening before. I think in this day and age, especially with grocery prices going sky high, it is so important that we not lose these skills, these essential life skills of learning how to grow our own food. Even if you are the busiest business person that would never be caught dead outdoors, you can still grow something small to contribute to your family's health. So let me know if that's something that you are interested in, and let's keep having this conversation. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. And remember, strawberry plants, they will multiply like crazy if you give them enough space, especially if you're a single parent on a tight budget and you want to be able to give unique Christmas gifts and holiday gifts to your kids' teachers and bus drivers and youth pastors and all of that stuff. This is a great way to do it for someone on a tight budget. You start your garden, it keeps giving back to you year after year. You use those harvests to make unique gifts, and they are more special than store-bought gifts anyway, I think. So remember to go the second mile today, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys.